Clearborough, North Dallas, 22 Tycan Turbo, full wrap, Xpel Ultimate Plus, with a ceramic over the top of this. There is a new film by Xpel. It's called the Fusion film with the ceramic. Will get you out to 4 years and longer if you use a couple of different products that are recommended to keep that ceramic going. But nevertheless, moving forward, 22 Tycan Turbo, full wrap. We'll take a walk around this, show you what we do. Full window film with XR Plus, obviously darker than normal. So let's take a quick look at everything we got here on this cool car that, matter of fact, takes on this plaid. So I wrapped that a few months ago. Like I said earlier in some videos, that's all that clear's coming off. We're putting on a stealth now. Some people like to change their wraps like they do their shoes. Same with this thing, believe it or not. I wrapped this 4 years ago. Clear's coming off of that, and we're putting a stealth on it. You can see I'm excited to do it. I think I filmed them 3 days ago, sitting in the same spot. Moreover, let's pay attention to wrapping all these edges. So everything in here is going to get wrapped around the back side where my finger is. All this is going to get run in real tight. Here, headlights are done. Front trunk is all done. Fenders all wrapped in. There's two ports for electricity. Ambi, if you want to call it that. They're all wrapped in all the way around from the fender and the door. The fender coming around, I don't put a gap up here. I like to run this all the way around. Moving to the door, again, moving that, wrapping that all the way in. Our mirror, complete coverage all the way around. Our A-pillar, which runs into our top and then into our quarter back here, all goes in one nice smooth piece, fully wrapped in to our window trim, and then back here to our other trim for our ski rack, if you will. But there's the line, runs nice and smooth, no issues. Checking to make sure I don't have any issues as I shoot this. Never fails. I always find something when I'm shooting this that needs a touch-up. So these videos are good for us. So moving on, moving this underneath this molding right here. All this comes out, no lines. Getting in on these doors, no problem. Obviously the handle pops up when we open the doors, and we just get it in behind there. It's a piece of cake. Under all our wheel wells, that's pretty elementary. This bumper coming in around here, in this little crevice here is easy. Wrapping all these trunk pieces, easy. Did not take the Tycan Turbo off. To replace that right now, we're looking at forever. So we just used the template and went around it. It's not bad. It's pretty tight actually. Xpel does it again. Xpel DAP is bar none the best software. So, and that's it. More of the same on this side. Just everything's getting wrapped around the edges. I constantly have people calling me and asking me if we do that, and it's a standard practice. I don't charge extra for it. So that's what we do. We wrap all the edges. It doesn't even look like the car has any film on it. So if that's what you're looking for, let us know. Coming all the way around. All the way around. Nice, clean, no marks in the black. No marks on this black either, or that black. Everything comes in nice and clean, just as if it was painted, and that's how it should be. So paint protection film is awesome. Comes with a pretty hefty price tag for full wraps if they're done right. You get what you pay for, remember that. So ask why prices are different with your people. Ask about their guarantees. My guarantee on my installation is as long as you own the car. As long as you're the registered owner and it's on my bill, anything that goes wrong with my installation, I cover it. No questions asked. So there you go. Tycan, great. Back there, the plaid, great. You guys have a great day. ClearboroughNorthDallas.com if you have any questions. Thanks. Have a great day.